Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start in the app now, open Outlook and sign in. Once logged in, go directly to Signature Settings, File, Options, Mail, Signatures on desktop, or Settings. View all Outlook settings, Compose and Reply on web. You'll want your text, any links, and a logo file ready. This accelerates editing so you don't interrupt the flow. Make sure images are small and copyable text is on hand. That prevents layout shifts when you paste. Now you create the signature itself. Click New, give it a clear name, and paste or type your contact information. Use the toolbar to pick fonts, sizes, colors, add hyperlinks, and insert the logo image. Resize the image so it remains under 100 KB. Once formatted, assign this signature as default for new messages and, if desired, for replies and forwards. This ensures consistent branding. If you use multiple accounts, repeat and assign per account, so messages always show the correct identity. Finish by saving and testing immediately. Compose a new email and inspect the signature on desktop view, then send to a mobile device and an external account. Make sure images load and links open correctly. If something looks off, edit again. A common fix is switching the editor's format from plain text to HTML, re-uploading the logo, or clearing local cache. If links break, reinsert them using the hyperlink button. Once tests pass, your signature is complete and consistent across devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.